My name is Jonathan Palmer. I am the CTO of Autometrix. Autometrix is a manufacturer of precision cutting solutions for the industrial textile world. We also develop the software to drive those machines. The main thing standing between Autometrix and 3D printing has always been the strength of the part. Is it going to be a part that we can really test in a real world environment? So when we realized that there was a printer on the market now that could provide plastic parts, but reinforced plastic parts that could give us some of that strength, we got really interested. Markforged was very helpful in allowing us to prove that process out and show ourselves that we could use a 3D printer to increase how quickly we could prototype things.
We're really excited to use the 3D printer going forward. One of our first big projects was on the machine behind me. We actually printed up an entire cutting head on the Mark I. And after building it up, testing it, calibrating it, we put it on a scale and found out that just the cutting head alone is about half a pound lighter over its aluminum counterpart. For us, weight savings on any part is especially desirable because all our cutting happens on a moving carriage that it travels at high accelerations and high speeds at any given time. So a half a pound lost off of any part means less wear and tear on the machine. We can, if we so choose, increase the accels so that it can cut even faster, and it gives us more capability going down the road.
When you know you have a printer sitting on a desk in your engineering hallway, it really changes our ability to try new iterations of things, to say, that seems like a reasonable idea, let's give it a try, and move on to the next step. What we've experienced with the Markforged is that we're able to very hands-off. We don't go through a drawing process or anything. We take a 3D model, we're going to upload it, we're going to start printing that thing. And I think the longest print we've done has taken somewhere around 24 hours, and we now have a part that you can go ahead and start testing.
In our dealings with Markforged, they've always stood behind their product, and we found it to be a really well-supported machine.
As we've gone through the learning process, running into any issues that we've had, Markforged has been great with their support. We're on opposite sides of the United States, and they've been responsive, they've been professional, they've been very good about making sure that we have all the support we need to make sure our printer is up and running when we need it to be.